Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys. So it got really hot and humid and nasty really fast. I'm just kind of sweaty and gross. I need to do something with the lips. This is the NYX Duck Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Nude Flip. And this is the NYX Lip Ivy Hydrating Gloss Serum in the shade Hydra Honey. All right. Now, I don't have any blush on because, so right now I have two of these Morphe, the new Cheek Thrills, these blushes. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. Let's see, this one is Beach Bonfire. It's a Coral Peach. I've not used these yet. Packaging is really, really cute. So you get like 2 creams, and then the shade down here is a powder. I actually ordered a couple of these online, and then I was just really bored Saturday night, and I remembered I had a gift card for Christmas, and I was like, I want to go look at them in store, and then I picked 2 more up. So you'll be seeing these on my channel quite a bit. Then this one is in the shade After Party. I like both of these. I kind of want to go in with Beach Bonfire, the first one I showed you. And then they had the NYX products, buy 2 get 1 free, so I picked up 3 more of the highlighters. I got, this one is Glaze It Butter. This one is Butter Then Gold. And then this one is Buttermint. Hopefully you can, there we go. You can see those okay. So let me start with some blush and then we'll get into eyeshadow, I promise. I have the rest of my base done. I've been running around today. My bangs are just so crazy because it's just so humid and just yuck outside. We're supposed to have really severe storms. We got some loud thunder, some lightning, a little bit of rain. The sky got pretty dark, but the worst of it passed us, thank goodness. All right, so you're supposed to start with the cream shades and then put the powder shade on top. So let's start with, and the shade in the middle has some shimmer to it. So I'm going to start with just the cream shade that doesn't have the shimmer in it. The top shade. Ooh, she pigmented, dang. All right. All right, now I'm going to go in with this center shade right here that has some shimmer because gotta have some shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. My goodness, that is beautiful. That is gorgeous. I usually tap out my blush with a beauty sponge, but I did not think of that part, so I don't have one with me. I apologize. Now, if I can, I need to clean off this brush. And then we're going to go in with that. I keep wanting to say cream shade. It's the powder shade. This one right here. And it does have a little plastic flap to cover the cream shades, which is really nice. I wish I had a more fluffy brush, but I don't have one on my table. All right, so that is really, really pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I do want to go get my sponge just to kind of tap everything and blend it all a little bit together, because that's just always how I do my makeup, so I'll be right back. So I am back. Now I feel like I have a hair on my chin. Like, why? Why? Okay. Yeah, you guys, that's really, really beautiful. I am... Sorry, my bangs are just driving me crazy the way they're laying, but it's just the humidity. If you have naturally curly hair, like, and you, I mean, my hair's straight to like this point, but then it gets curly because you can kind of see it. But yeah, it's just the straight part of my hair just doesn't ever really stay straight, especially in humidity. So it's going to be a fun time because I feel like it's going to be a really humid, gross summer. All right. I don't really know what to use, so I'm going to use this LA Girl Sunset Daze palette. I bought this a while ago. I have not used it. It just kind of got lost in the shuffle. So, I've swatched it, just haven't actually put it on the eyes. So let's do a little look with that. And let's just talk about life, because I know there's a lot going on in my life. I can't really talk about some of it, and it'll be a while before I can. But yeah, let's start with, I don't know, do I want to do the same look? I don't really want to do anything too crazy, so maybe we'll just do the same look. Let's start with this shade down here. But yeah, there's just a lot going on, and I'm trying really, really hard just to be more aware of things that are going on in my life. I mean, like, trying to take better care of myself, but like really making that effort. I think I mentioned this on one of my talks, but I watched this video. I don't even remember who it was or where I saw it, but they talked about how if you make an appointment with someone else, like you show up and, you know, you do the deal, but with yourself you don't. And that is me 1000%. If I tell someone I will be there, I will do this for you, I will do it. If I tell myself I am going to take better care of myself, I am going to XYZ, I don't do it. I don't do it. And things were getting so bad. And don't get me wrong, they're not good. They're not great. And I honestly don't know with what I do for a living if it ever will be. But I'm trying really, really hard just to try and get some movement in. Not even every day, because I have PCOS. My period is getting ready to start. My back pain is already out of control. So basically about 2 weeks out of every month, I am in a lot of pain. And I can't just stop my life. So I do my best to deal with it, but it's really hard. And, so I'm gonna try my best the next upcoming 2 weeks to kind of try and, sorry, I just went in with another shade and didn't tell you. It's just the shade right here. Oh crap. Low voltage, of course. All right, my monitor battery's about ready to die, and that kind of shows me that I'm somewhat in frame. I know you guys, I go out of frame all the time. I don't mean to. I just have trouble sticking in like a little box, you know? But let me go try and fix this issue and I'll be right back. Where was I? But yeah, I'm just trying to kind of do more movement, trying to eat healthier. And just trying to not let my job completely destroy me like it has in the past. And it's hard because I'm there more than I am anywhere else. And I get text messages really late at night or in the middle of the night, or, you know, it doesn't stop. Like it's like I can't get away. And so it's really, really hard. And, yeah, so I'm trying, you guys, I'm trying. I am not perfect. And like I said, my situation makes it really, really hard because I can't get away from it. Like the text messages don't stop. Even if I try and take a day off, it's just like, there's just no like separation, and that's really, really hard. All right, now I'm gonna go in with some glitter glue. Now, what do I want to do? There's so many pretty shimmer shades in this palette. Like, I like the blues. This shade's really sticking out to me, but I also really like this one. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Even this one's pretty. They're all pretty. That's the problem. Huh. Let's put this blue down first, and then we'll stick something like in the center. Let's just try that. Oh, that's pretty. It kind of looks more green, I think. I mean, I guess it was like a blue green, but like I am seeing green. I don't know what shade you guys are seeing, but to me, it's looking green. Am I crazy? I mean, it's okay to tell me I am. But yeah, that is like, how is this green? How? I mean, like pulling more green, because to me, looking at it in the pan, it's pulling more blue. But on the eyes, it's looking more green than, like, I'll be honest, looking in my little mirror, I'm not seeing any blue, I'm seeing green. Like, how? All right, let's... The world. Okay. I'm still not seeing blue. Not seeing blue. Okay. This is driving me crazy. We're gonna put this shade on top of it and see if that's any more, like, see if that's any more blue. Maybe a little. Can you see a difference? Or maybe it just looks darker. That was weird. All right, so maybe a little more blue now. All right, you guys, I just want to take this shade right here and just kind of put it in the center of the eye. and see if it shows up. Oh yeah, a little bit, just a little bit. Just wanted a little something, something, you know? Just add a little something special to the center of the eye. All right. Now I just need I mean, some of that green blue shade kind of went down. I just want to add a little more of something, something. I'm going to take this for a little lower inner corner highlight. All right, so I think that we are good to go. I keep hearing my phone go off and it's stressing me out, so I need to check that, make sure there are no emergencies or anything. I'm gonna go do my little bit of liner, mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. Let's bust into one of these highlighters. I'm gonna use Glaze It Butter today. If I can get this opened. There we go. This one. Hopefully you can see that okay. All right. And I feel like this pairs beautifully with that blush. Very, very pretty. I love these highlighters. NYX has just been absolutely just killing it lately. Like this buttermelt line, fantastic. I'm so glad they came out with highlighters because I was saying for a while, I'm like, I really hope they do that. All right. If you know, you know. Feel like a new woman. All right, you guys, let's do a little final look-see. One of these days, I'm gonna get me one of those little fans, so that way it'll be much easier than me just doing this to fan my face. All right, you guys, little final look. All right, so beautiful. I wish I couldn't wait so long to use this palette. I just, sometimes I do that. So it's the LA Girl Sunset Daze eyeshadow palette. And honestly, I think this is only like $8. So beautiful, beautiful palette. Love the look. Yeah. I think that's it for today, you guys. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. And have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.